Hello, hope you are doing good. In today's tutorial, we'll be looking at one of the best online form builders for businesses and freelancers, as I'll be showing you how to use Formstack. The reason why I would recommend Formstack for any business, whether you're just getting started or you're an established business, is because you will be able to integrate it on different platforms. So for instance, you can connect it to your CRM. You can also collect payments using Formstack. You can start doing email marketing. You can also CMS, and you can also use their document storage. They offer numerous integrations on numerous platforms, so the features are basically unlimited compared to other online form builders that tend to be basic. But with Formstack, you can also get started for free, as they do offer a free trial. And if we should check out their pricing package, you can see that it starts off at $18 per month. And for $18 per month, you'll be able to access their e-signature feature. So you'll be able to capture legally binding digital signatures on any device. And you'll get access to unlimited e-signatures and mobile signing. Another thing that you can also do with Formstack, if you would like to upgrade and go to their most expensive plan, which is for $92 per month. With this plan, you'll be able to add up to 10 document templates, 150 mergers, session management, and numerous other features. Now, once you're signed up, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. So let's create our first form. All you will need to do is put in your form name. So let's say, for example, test. Then from there, you can simply scroll down and you can select the language. I will leave it as English. Then you can choose to either start with a blank form, or you can use one of their pre-made templates. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using a template. So we're going to tap right there, start with a template. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to this dashboard. And from here, you have different categories that you can search in, and you can see the template preview right here. So let's say, for example, you want one for an exit interview. You could tap on that right there, and you can see a preview of the template. And by scrolling down, you can see the numerous categories that you can choose from. So if you would like to create a donation form, you can do that by tapping on donation form. Let's say, for example, I would like to create one for my donation form. I'm going to do that right there. Then you are going to tap on go to the form builder in the bottom right hand corner. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to this page. On this page, you'll now be able to edit the form. So any additional touches or areas that you would like to add to the form, you can do that. All you'll need to do is simply scroll down. You can see how it looks right here. If you would like to change any section, so you can tap on the pencil beside the field that you would like to change. And from there, you could type in something if you want, and then you'll tap on save. You can see how it looks right here. If you would like to, for example, remove the non-profit, you can do that by going over to the left-hand menu option. We can edit the heading section. So I'm going to delete the non-profit, as you can see right there. Leave it as only donation. Then from there, you can scroll down and you can edit the columns if you want. But let's say, for example, I would like to edit this section, the name section. All I would need to do is simply tap on it. If you don't want to make the name section required or any particular section required, all you have to do is simply untick required right there, and you can see that the red asterisk is now removed. If you would like it to be required, you can tap on that. Then from there, you can scroll down, and if you would like to add an additional field, you can do that. As you can see, at the moment, it is only asking for the first and last name. Let's say I would like to ask for the middle initial also. I could simply tap right there, and you can see initial. Then you'll simply tap on the arrow in the top left hand corner to go back. After you have done that, you can scroll down and you can continue making other changes. So if it is a case that you would like to add a product or so on, you can also do that. Right where you see event and product, you could simply drag and place it wherever you want. So let's say, for example, I were to drag and place event right here. After you have done that, you would scroll down and you can see event or product. You could tap right there. Then from the left hand menu option, you will see field label. You can edit the field label. Then you can scroll down and you will be able to add a description. And you can also choose the file, so you could upload the file that you would like to offer your digital product. You can set the price right there for the ticket, and you can select whether the tickets are available or not, and you can select the minimum amount that a person can purchase. And after doing all of this, if it is okay and up to your liking, you can tap on style in the top left hand corner. Once you have tapped on style, you can scroll down, and if you would like to change the theme, you can do that also. So you can select a particular theme from the left hand menu option. Once everything is to your liking, all you'll need to do now, you can go over to the top right hand corner, type right where you see view live, and you're going to see how your form looks. So this is how it looks at the moment, as you can see right here. Now you can go back onto Formstack. Once you're back on Formstack, all you'll need to do is tap on share in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on share, you will now be provided with the form link, as you can see right here. So you can copy the URL and you'll be able to share it wherever you want, whether it be via email or social media. If it is a case that you would like to embed the form on your website, you can scroll down, and right where you see website embed, you could tap to copy the code and you can paste it on your website. If it is a case that you would like to share the form via QR code, you can tap on save as image and you can share the QR code. Now let's go back to the main dashboard. So I'm going to tap on forms in the top left hand corner. Once you have tapped on forms, from here you can see the form that you have created. You'll also be able to view the analytics and the submissions by simply tapping on them. And you can create more forms if you want. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If there's anything else that you want, you can simply tap on your profile name in the top right hand corner. And from there you can edit your account settings and so on. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this helpful. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.